Hi, my name is Brad Rollinson. I'm a senior in the Industrial Engineering Department here at Cal Poly San Luis Obispo, and in this video I'm going to walk you through my senior project.
For my senior project, I'll be working with David Casper, who is a student in the Computer Engineering Department, and my advisor is Tally Free of the Industrial Engineering Department. For our senior project, David and I will be designing and implementing a point-of-sale solution for restaurants by means of mobile application. The goal of our application and our senior project is to improve the ease of payments for the customers eating at a restaurant, improve the operations of the businesses, the restaurants, by using our application, and also improve the customer service at said business. The economic motivation behind our senior project and application are pretty in line with our reasonings behind doing our application. We want to keep and please customers that are going to these restaurants, improve efficiency, and save restaurants time and money. But also we want to attract new customers to these restaurants that may be stagnant in terms of growth because they're not using or utilizing new technology, such as mobile apps. If it wasn't apparent already, our senior project is a model of a startup. So David and I are trying to make a profit on our senior project. In order to make money in a startup, you have to have a proper business model. We have 3 potential business models for our application in order to make a profit. The first is pretty in line with some other popular mobile payment applications at the moment. This business model involves taking just a small percentage of each transaction processed through our application. This is similar to Square Inc.'s business model, which charges 2.75% of every transaction processed through their application, and they ever made a profitable startup. We would probably differ a little bit from Square in that we'd be processing a lot more cash transactions than they would as it is a restaurant, and people will still use traditional cash. So we might take a different percentage for cash, credit, or check, and that'd be something we'd analyze later on in our development. And that brings us to our second business model. Our second business model is very different from our first business model. This one involves no transaction fees and only charges it'd either be a monthly or a yearly subscription fee to provide the equipment necessary to run our applications. This is the tablets that actually run the app itself, and a printer for the kitchen to print off the orders that are placed in the restaurant, as well as our support of the app and, of course, the app itself. Our last possible business model is a hybrid of the first 2 business models, which is using a subscription fee, which would obviously be smaller than if we just did it on its own, and then a percentage of every transaction, and just the same, would be smaller than if it was on its own. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you now have a better understanding of David and my senior project.